So we're here to compare between a compatible one, maybe a fake one, and this is the original one. You can see here the box came the same, but the number wasn't the same. That's why when I opened it, it gave the same number, part number here, 1780271. So I thought that it's compatible, correct? Let's turn it around. The material is definitely different. Okay, this feel like spongy or something. It feels like paper. You know, you feel like used paper that you recycle. Okay, this one doesn't feel like paper. It feels like different material. So this is also this one part here, the glue here. And also, this is what I noticed. These filters, let's say this is one filter. There is only 60 here. Here. And this is about 90 here. Making it very much. Look at that. See how close they are? And see the gap between these filters. See, it's already black. I've only used this for like 6 months. That's about 20,000 kilometers plus. See this? 208,000 kilometers. So it's already black. So I think, and there's one more thing I did notice. Let me show you. You see all this dust? It's building up inside. Means that things are getting through the filter. You see? I have another filter, but it has nothing to do with car. It's an air filter, home. It's for my home. So I'm doing the same test. I really has the same result, which is that a lot of this dust does get through this. You see? Let's go for the material. It's very different. So this, I think this is more than enough to say that do not go for compatible filters or fake ones. It can be put inside, but it gets dirty very fast. It doesn't filter everything out. Even the filter itself is like 60, it's like 50% less. See here, it gets dirty very fast. This is the original color. This is it does its job, but as I say, it does filter things out, but it doesn't do it's not doing a good job. I don't think so. It's not supposed to bend. They put this glue in the middle. See that? So this was about 40 ringgit. 40 ringgit is about $10. This is about 85 ringgit. That's about $20 plus, maybe $25. 25 times no, it's about 15 $16, $18 sometimes. We just go with a round number of 20, easier. It's about double the price, and this one can last longer because, as I say, this is only 20,000 kilometers. It's only like this, and this will catch more dust between. See that? There's no gap between these filters. The gap is not as big as this. So it'll be harder for this dust to get through fast. It's going to build up here rather than build up inside. Okay, that's about all. Thank you.